Hey guys, welcome to Freenspiration. Little quick stop here at the local market on the beach to get some empanadas and refreshments. Maybe a bottle of water, you know, cool down. The beach is gorgeous today. Guys, I don't know if you've ever noticed, but these vegetables right here, when you smell these, they smell like earth. I've always thought that pineapples kind of look like tiny palm trees. Yeah. I am in the cold section and I'm freezing because I don't have a shirt. It's the refrigerated section. The cookie section. Peanut butter. What is your favorite type of peanut butter? Do you like the chunky or the creamy one? I like the chunky one, just like I like the pulp in my juice. So yeah, that was a quick stop at the local market. And today I came to the beach to hang out with a couple of friends and just enjoy of my Sunday. Andres, what's up?
Hey buddies, I'm here with my friend Jonathan. Getting to South Beach, Collins and 27th Avenue.
Get on over here, fast, before we leave.
It's gonna be a blast.
Let's have some fun. So now I'm gonna take a dip on this beautiful site. Get in the water. Super dive. Water is so good. I love the ocean. You know, it's a little bit cloudy today, but it's still good to be outside. And you know, just relax, enjoy, clear your mind from everything. Let's do a flip. Anyways, here on the beach, just relaxing. Today I actually celebrate the fact that 1 week ago I started out vlogging. So it's my first week vlogging.